One of these was shot by a full production crew, and the other was created by AI in minutes. Can you tell which is which? Let's test Topview Video Agent, an AI that turns any viral video into your brand's version automatically. It studies every second, script, lighting, camera motion, and rebuilds it using OpenAI Sora 2 for ultra-realistic output. Let's try it. I will upload a viral clip of sunscreen and upload image of my product, that is perfume. Let's see what it creates. Wow, that looks like a luxury commercial made in a studio. I can't imagine.
और चलते जाओ. Use code TikTok50.
Let's try another example of coffee maker. Here I will use coffee maker clip and my product here is tea kettle. It will create ad of tea kettle according to the theme of the uploaded video. Let's see the results. Wow, it has created a wonderful ad of kettle. You can post it as a brand reel today, no filming at all. In the next example, I will use a clip of sofa cover and I will use the prompt, recreate this home decor video with my table cover product. Same warm light and soft focus. Wonderful! A real looking ad is created for my product. Even household decor scenes come alive, folds, lighting, textures, all AI. In the next example, I will use a viral shoe clip and I will use the prompt, recreate this trendy sneaker clip with my shoe. Keep jump cut energy and urban lighting. Wow, here it is. Perfect for streetwear or TikTok fashion brands. This looks real. Really a big fan of Topview Video Agent. The next example is unboxing video. I will use an unboxing clip and I will use the prompt, recreate this viral unboxing reel using my phone case product. Same rotations, reflections, background. Let's see what it creates. Oh, beautiful! Even tech products look cinematic. This could totally be a brand launch clip. So from sunglasses to sneakers to coffee makers, Topview Video Agent can recreate any viral format into your brand style. No editor, no crew, just AI driven creativity.